Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and today I want to quickly show you how to turn the right click on a Mac laptop. This shortcut will save you lots of time and really streamline the way you work on your computer. So the way you turn it on is you click on the Apple icon in the upper left-hand corner of your menu bar, and you go to System Preferences. And in System Preferences, you go to Trackpad. And in Trackpad, you'll see there's a few options across the top, and you want to be in the first one, the point and click. And here, the second option, which is usually off by default, is secondary click. You want to check click the checkbox next to that, and you can choose how you want that right click to work. So you can either click or tap your trackpad with 2 fingers, which is the one that I like the best. Or you could click in the bottom right-hand corner of your trackpad, or I suppose if you're left-handed, you might want to switch it around and click in the bottom left corner. But I prefer the tap with 2 fingers because it's much more intuitive when you are typing quickly on your computer. And you don't have to worry about hitting the trackpad in just the right spot. So I put it on click or tap with 2 fingers, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So now I've just pulled up a folder that I have on my computer. And so now if you tap on your trackpad on one of like a folder and you tap on with 2 fingers on your trackpad, you'll get that that menu to come up just like that. So you don't have to do the control click anymore to get that quick menu to show up. So it really does streamline your process. So again, this is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the subscribe button in the lower left-hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.